Here's an email from Steve. I had a new patio poured, and there's a section in the middle that will pool up with water after each rain. Any suggestions? Steve, how about a well-placed push broom? You can just broom it away every time that you want to go out and use the patio, but I know that's sort of a pain in the neck. What you could do is this. Get a hammer drill with a 4-inch coring bit, and you're actually going to drill a hole through your brand new patio right where that water pools. And then you're going to get a 4-inch drain cover to go right over the top of that after you remove any of the concrete or gravel that's in there. And you're going to basically create your own little French drain to take that water away so you don't have to broom it off every time.
Hey Lou, how you doing? My name is Chris, and I have a question about water in my basement. Lately I noticed when it rains a lot, water is coming right through the walls in my basement, and I'm looking to prevent this. Would I start the repair from the inside or the outside?
Well, Chris, this is a common question I get from people who have basements, but there are a lot of factors that could be causing water to be entering into your basement. It could be a downspout on the outside that's leaking and pooling next to your home, and then that's where the water's coming in. It could be a crack in the foundation. It could be the water table where you live. All of those can be factors as to why water is entering the basement. You could repair this from the inside if you can localize where this issue is. I would walk around the house, make sure that there's no pockets where water is pooling. If there are downspouts, extend those out a little bit so that they're pulling the water away during a rainstorm. And on the inside, if you notice cracks in the foundation, it might be something that you want to get professional help with, because many times when you get professional basement waterproofers, they offer a lifetime warranty that is transferable to the next owner, which means you have a dry basement and you're adding value to your home as well.
Hey Lou, my name is Angela, and my question for you is, last week my American Bulldog became very ill and was vomiting on one of my rugs in several different spots, and there's a stench and a stain there. I used the Resolve, but that's not quite doing it. Can you help me remove my stain?
Angela, how about I help you the next time your Bulldog throws up on the rug, because I think it might be too late for what you already did. Here's a solution. You want to get a stain remover like this Tech. There's a bunch of different products out here. I like this one as well, but here's the critical point. It has the approval of the Carpet Institute on the bottle. The reason that's important is when you try it on the carpeting that usually has a warranty, and if it doesn't work, well then you don't void the warranty on that carpeting. Resolve does not carry that seal, which means you may have voided the warranty on that carpeting. Sorry.